ko, ilagay ko sa paso. I will try. Pero yung malaki na ilalagay ko. I'm looking for the yellow one. I don't really like the red and white one. I like the plum or the yellow. Yellow dragonfly. Sa South Miami, oh my God, I like South Florida. There's a farm there with all the Filipino fruits. I'm hoping to go to that farm. Maybe next year we'll travel that way. Next year, before we fly away somewhere, we wanna go back to... It's been a long time since I've been to Miami. It's like 1995. Sobrang tagal. Sobrang tagal na. I just want to let you know that's how old I am. Senior. Ako Sisi, thank you sa pagdalaw. Sis Leah Bravo. Alam ko gabi na dyan sa inyo. Gabi na ba? Anong oras na ba sa inyo, guys? Grabe, ang init, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, I show you, my patola is already have flowers. I'm gonna have patola soon. I'm already harvesting some sitaw. I made gulay yesterday. Namiss ko yung lutong bahay. 5 araw kaming kain ng kain lang sa labas. To the point na ayaw mo nang kumain kasi namiss mong magluto. Tapos kagabi pagkaluto ko, ang daming kinain ng anak ko. Namiss niya yung namiss niya din yung lutong bahay. Thank you guys for watching. I'm cleaning up. Still cleaning up the bird feeder, guys. So I'll show you some look at my cucumber, guys. Ganito na lang siya, Why is that? Naging parang na siya, lemon. They're they're so small. Look. CCB, look at my my cucumber. Lumiit na siya. Look. Tanggalin ko na siya kasi taniman ko ng bago. I stunted. Ba't ganon, ha? Do you know what happened? Hindi na sila nag-grow. Ganda ng bulaklak. Thank you, sis. Pang to? Hala, umuulan na. Huwag lang sanang kikidlat. Uy. Maano na siya. Mga putot na siya. Kamis ang ulan. Ulan ang ulan daw dito pero natuyo pa rin yung... And nakahanap ako ng malaking talong. Oh my God!